Welcome. This video introduces the DI and CAD/CAM connector version 2.4, which includes connection status visibility and automatic upload recovery for exported cases from Connect and Ceric software. Let's get started. With the new DI and CAD connector version 2.4, the connection status appears directly in the taskbar. A green indicator signals that exports are in progress. Should the connection be lost, a persistent red indicator in the taskbar calls attention to it. Once connection is established again, the indicator turns back to green. This provides transparency during the upload phase. Should connectivity drop unexpectedly, exported cases are queued locally and uploaded automatically once service resumes, minimizing manual checks and keeping production on track. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.